Welcome to PraxiLabs. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how a student can take a quiz linked to a virtual experiment. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Courses tab from the side menu. Find the course that contains the experiment with the quiz you want to take. Click on View Details on that course's card. Now, scroll down to the Experiments section. Locate the experiment that includes the quiz, and click on View Details on the Experiments card. On the right-hand side, you'll find the Quiz Information section. Here, you can see the number of quiz attempts remaining, the quiz duration, your grade, whether excellent, very good, good, fair, poor, or fail, the total number of questions, your score as a percentage, and the quiz expiry date. To begin the quiz, simply click on Open Quiz. The quiz questions will appear one by one. After submitting each answer, the next question will be displayed. If the admin or instructor has set a time limit for the quiz, a countdown timer will appear at the top right corner of the screen, showing how much time you have left. If needed, you can exit the quiz at any time by clicking the X button in the upper left corner. Alternatively, you can access the quiz from inside the experiment. Just start the experiment, then open the menu, and click on Exercise. And that's it. You're now ready to take your quiz. In the next video, we'll show you how students can view their quiz attempts report. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.